K900 Max GPS Drone Operation Guide. Open the box and remove the product and accessories. Product contents. Charge the drone battery before flying. Connect the battery. Connect to power. The indicator light will turn red during charging. The light will turn off automatically when fully charged. Remote controller charging demonstration. Connect the remote controller. Connect to power. The indicator light will turn red during charging. The light will turn off automatically when fully charged. Pre-flight preparation. The drone defaults to outdoor GPS mode upon startup. Please operate in an open outdoor environment with no overhead obstructions. Extend the drone's arms. Install the drone battery. Remove the control sticks from the back of the remote controller. Install the control sticks. Insert the memory card. Ensure the drone is placed horizontally before starting it. Press and hold to power on the drone. Then turn on the remote controller. The drone will automatically pair with the remote controller. Wait for the remote controller to display the video feed. Press briefly to perform geomagnetic calibration. Pick up the drone and rotate it horizontally clockwise until you hear a beep. Then rotate it vertically clockwise until you hear another beep. Compass calibration complete. Press briefly to calibrate the gyroscope. The lights will flash rapidly, then slowly. Calibration successful. Wait for the drone to acquire GPS satellites. Take off once the GPS signal strength reaches 9 or higher. Unlock the drone by tilting the control sticks outward. Push the left stick up to take off. Ascend. Descend. Turn left. Turn right. Fly forward. Fly backward. Fly left. Fly right. Speed mode. 1 beep indicates low speed. 2 beeps indicate medium speed. 3 beeps indicate high speed. Electric camera adjustment. Press the obstacle avoidance button briefly. The drone enters obstacle avoidance mode. Press the photo button briefly to take a photo. Press the record button briefly to start recording. Press the record button again briefly to save the recording. Press the menu button to view saved photos and videos. Press the back button to return to the video feed. Press the Return to Home button, and the drone will return to the takeoff point. Airdrop mode demonstration. Press the button on the bottom of the drone to open the hook. Align the rope with the hook, then press the button again to close the hook. Fly the drone into the air. Press the throw button on the remote control. The drone will drop the object. Indoor mode demonstration. Press and hold to power on the drone. Then turn on the remote controller. Wait for the remote controller to display the video feed. Press the GPS button on the remote controller briefly to turn off GPS. The drone's lights will remain on. One-click gyro calibration. Move the control sticks outward to unlock the drone. Push the left stick up to take off. Replacing the propellers. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the propeller screws and remove the propellers. Be sure to distinguish between the A and B markings. Install the corresponding propellers.